Hello everyone, welcome to Radiant Minds Academy. In this video, we will resolve this compound algebraic fraction into a partial fraction. So let's get started. So we are given that x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 2 plus 4x is divided by x squared plus x minus 2. Now, notice that the degree of s in the numerator is higher than that of s in the denominator. So we apply the long division. So by long division, we have x squared plus x minus 2, and we have x to the power of 3 plus x squared plus 4x. So x to the power of 3 divided by x squared will give us x, and x times x squared is x cubed. X times x is plus x squared, and x times negative 2x is negative 2x. So at this point, we subtract. S cubed minus s cubed is 0. S squared minus x squared is 0. 4x minus 2x is 6x. So therefore, the compound fraction x cubed plus x squared minus 4x divided by x squared plus x minus 2 is equal to x plus 6x divided by x squared plus x minus 2. Now, if we observe, by using the long division, we have reduced the power of x at the numerator. Now, let us consider the proper fraction at the right-hand side. So, for the proper fraction, we have 6x divided by x squared plus x minus 2. Now, first, let us consider the denominator. Now, it's obvious that the denominator can be factorized. So, if we factorize the denominator, that their sum is equal to 1 and their product is equal to negative 2. And the two integers are plus 2 and minus 1. So we can now express our quadratic expression as x squared plus 2x minus x minus 2. And this becomes x, open the bracket, x plus 2 minus 1, open the bracket, x plus 2. So we have that x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 1. So therefore, we have been able to factorize the quadratic expression. So now, our proper fraction becomes 6x divided by x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 1. Now, at this point, we have linear factors at the denominator. So we can resolve this fraction as a divided by x plus 2 plus b divided by x minus 1. Now, to obtain the values of a and b, the first thing we do is that we take LCM at the right-hand side. So if we take LCM at the right-hand side, we have x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 1. So the LCM divided by x plus 2 will be left with x minus 1. So we have a multiplied by x minus 1. Also, the LCM divided by x minus 1 will be left with x plus 2. X plus 2 multiplied by b, we have b multiplied by x plus 2. And then we write down the left-hand side. So we have 6x divided by x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 1. Now, notice that looking at the left-hand side and the right-hand side, it's obvious that the denominators are equal, thus we equate the numerators. So we have this to be 6x equal to a multiplied by x minus 1 plus b multiplied by x plus 2. So let's call here equation A. Now, to obtain the values of A and B at this point, we have to use the cover-up method. So the idea here is that we plug in a convenient value of x to eliminate either A or B. So first, let us substitute s equal to 1 into equation A to eliminate A. So we have that this is 6 multiplied by 1 equal to A, open the bracket, 1 minus 1 plus B, open the bracket, 1 plus 2. So 6 is equal to 1 minus 1 is 0. So at this point, A times 0 is 0. So 1 plus 2 is 3, multiplied by B, so we have 3B. So we have that B is equal to 6 divided by 3, which is equal to 2. So therefore, B is equal to 2. Now at this point, we have obtained the value of B. To obtain the value of A, we have to substitute S equal to -2 into equation A. So we have 6 multiplied by -2 equal to A, open bracket, -2 minus 1 plus B, open bracket, -2 plus 2. So at this point, 6 times -2 is -12 equal to -2 minus 1 is -3. And -3 times A is -3A. Now, -2 plus 2 is 0, and 0 times B is still 0. So we have here that A is equal to -12 divided by -3. So at this point, minus and cancel out minus. So 3 cancel itself, we have 1. 12 divided by 3, we have 4. So therefore, A is equal to 4. Thus, we have obtained B to be equal to 2 and A to be equal to 4. So therefore, from our compound algebraic fraction, we have that x cubed plus x squared plus 4x divided by x squared plus x minus 2 is giving us x plus A divided by x plus 2 plus B divided by x minus 1. Since we have obtained the values of A and B, we plug in the value into this equation. So this becomes x plus 4 divided by x plus 2 plus 2 divided by x minus 1. So at this point, we have been able to resolve the compound fraction into partial fractions. Thank you so much for watching. And if you know you found the video helpful, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And for more videos on partial fractions with linear factors, quadratic factors, repeated factors, and even improper fractions, do not forget to check our playlist for more solved questions. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.